Here is the brain teaser question. I really like this one, and I got to say, this brain teaser took me a while. You're about to get on a plane to Seattle. You want to know if it's raining. You call 3 random friends who live there and ask each if it's raining. Each friend has a 2/3 chance of telling you the truth and a 1/3 chance of messing with you by lying. All 3 friends tell you that yes, it is raining. What is the probability that it's actually raining in Seattle? This question was from the behavioral round of interview for Amazon. If you missed the previous videos on this topic, here are the 6 steps to help you answer these kind of riddles. Think about why they ask that question. Step number 2, you need to clarify what exactly they want and why. Because it makes you look good. Number 3, you want to ask for time, something like can have a few minutes to chop down some ideas and do some calculations. Number 4, write down your scenarios, calculations, assumptions, etc. Step 5, work on simplifying the answer and getting a way to solve the question quickly. And in the final 6th step, you communicate your answer, how you came up with your solution. Remember, in these interviews, the path to the answer is pretty important and is more important than the correct answer. If you have any trouble with any of the course materials, please don't hesitate to contact us at the website toptechgurus.com. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more help with interview preparation. Let's get learning with Top Tech Gurus. You only need one of your friends to be telling the truth for it to be raining in Seattle. It would be faster to calculate the odds that all 3 are lying, and it's not raining. Each friend has a 1/3 chance of lying. Multiply the odds together. You get 1/27th, that would be based on the calculation of 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. We're not done yet though. 1/27th is the probability that all 3 friends lied at the same time. The probability that at least one told you the truth? 26 out of 27 chances, or around a 96% chance that it's raining in Seattle. Good, now you know when Microsoft, Amazon or Google hires you, asks you to relocate to Seattle, that it is a pretty rainy city. Nice. Let's get to the next one.